Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Chetna, welcome to IWM Buzz. How much excited are you for your debut show?
बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. आई थिंक whenever I act, whenever I get a challenging character to play, it's very very interesting because I just love acting. I love to hear about a character and make it live. So this is what I have done here also. बहुत ही interesting character है about this girl who is a brat, who is a spoiled girl, and whatever she's wanted in her life, she's always gotten it, and how she comes across a person who is a complete opposite person. So he's a middle class guy. For him, things work on a different way. So he says no to her, and that one no makes her go so crazy, and how that hate turns into a love. It's a journey on that, and then after that how this girl goes all out for her love. So that's very very beautiful.
Chetna, what are the 3 things that you like about your character?
My character, she's crazy, she is adventurous, and she's passionate. This is what I am also in the real life, and how crazily she leaves everything, being a rich girl, having everything. She leaves everything just to be with the love of her life. So that's very interesting, which I feel I am also a person like that. If I ever be in love again, I think I'm also a person who will go all out, who doesn't care about anything. So yeah, I like the madness that this character has.
How much fun was it working with your co-stars?
की बात की जाए तो मस्ती करने का तो टाइम ही नहीं मिला, बिकॉज 2 दिन में हमें पूरा का पूरा एपिसोड शूट करना था. सो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेक्टिक था. एक्चुअली टचअप करने का भी टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था. जस्ट चेंज योर क्लोथ्स एंड रन, चेंज योर क्लोथ्स एंड रन. सो दैट चैलेंजिंग बिट ऑफ इट ऑल्सो आई फेल्ट शिट, पता नहीं क्या हुआ होगा, बिकॉज टाइम ही नहीं मिला. इवन फहाद को मैं पहली बार सेट पे मिली थी. आई हैव नेवर मेट हिम बिफोर, बट ही वॉज सो ब्रिलियंट, एंड आई थिंक हमारी ट्यूनिंग इसलिए अच्छी बैठी बिकॉज ही इज़ ऑल्सो वर्कड लॉट प्रीवियसली. सो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा था जब आपके सामने जो एक्टर है, दे ऑल्सो रिटेलिएट इन द सेम वे. सो आई थिंक द सीन बिकम्स ब्यूटिफुल, एंड द होल स्टोरी बिकम्स अलाइव. सो दैट वाज इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट.
Have you ever fallen in love?
I have fallen in love before in past when I was in my college and stuff, and that baby love I would say is so crazy कि आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. पहली बार आपको realize होता है, फिर आप बहुत practical हो जाते हो, and then life teaches you a lot of lessons. But I just still love the innocence of that love, where you can just go all out and do everything for the love and the person that you're in love. I think which I felt again doing this episode. वो मैं 17 years की चेतना बन गई थी, जो मतलब पागल, मतलब मैंने अपने डैड से लड़ाई कर ली थी. मैंने कहा मैं घर छोड़ के चली जाऊंगी, आई विल गो टू एनी एक्सटेंट. सो वो मुझे थोड़ा सा ना मेरे रियल लाइफ से भी थोड़ा सा इंस्पिरेशन मिली थी, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे पागलपन कर चुकी हूँ पहले.
What's your opinion on the viral video where the lady has weird thoughts on girls wearing short dress?
I saw that whole video, and I was like, how can someone be like that? She's a woman and she's saying that, and it was really nice that these girls made that video and it went out so that she could see it. I don't know she will feel it or no, but जब वो अपने आप को देखेगी शायद उसे थोड़ी सी शर्म आनी चाहिए कि मैं भी एक लेडी हूँ, and I hope she has a daughter or she doesn't have a daughter, I don't know, but it is so sad to say something like that. We live in a country where we have a freedom to do whatever. I mean, wearing short skirt doesn't mean you would say something like that to someone. So it was very shameful, and I think that's why that video went viral and everybody started commenting on that. So that kind of mentality, I feel so sorry being a woman. If you are like that, then how are you gonna, how the world's gonna change? You should be standing for it rather than doing something like that. So that was very shameful, and I just hope she gets some brains and she just realizes that how wrong she was, and she says sorry. I have realized in that video she keeps saying say sorry. She's like, no, call the police, I don't want to say sorry. So that was all really really sad.
Vaste has completed 150 million views. What do you want to say to your dearest friend Siddharth?
I think Siddharth is so talented. I've always known that. I know him from really, really long. We are like family. But I'm really glad that, you know, he finally got that one great song to perform, and he's done so beautifully. The song is doing wonders. So I just want to congratulate him. This is just a start. He's gonna go really, really far because he is super duper talented.
What's your plan for the music album?
One of my music album is coming out. It's written by Nirman, जिन्होंने photo गाना लिखा है. It's a Punjabi song that's gonna come out probably this month or next month. So that is one thing that's coming out. I keep doing videos. My last Bewafa did pretty well. It is on 80 million or something. So I love doing songs. It's like a beautiful, nice, small, romantic, you know, like a story that you shared. So it's very interesting. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.